Hey guys, just bringing you a quick video on my completed pulled pork. This is part two of the two-part series. Anyhow, um, take uh, an hour to complete, and I just want to show you something. Look at this, just falling right off the bone. And from here, beautiful. 1 hour. I have some onions. Just pulling it. I'm just going to leave it in the juices. It might have to go a little bit longer. You see it falling right off the bone there, right? There's the bone. You know, one thing you want to do, you don't want to overcook. So I don't like to overcook. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just, so when that bone is just not pulling right off, it can go in for a little bit longer. I'm going to probably let it go another 15 minutes and then check it again. But what I have here is some beautiful meat. I'm going to grab some of my onions, and I'm going to sauce it a little bit. Look at that, onions. Grab some of my juice. I'm going to put a little, you can either do sauce on or sauce on the side. Put a little sauce on the side. I have a little bit of spicy mustard I'm going to do here. And I'm going to give this a taste. Boy, how you beat that? All right, guys. Enjoy your pulled pork. Worked out just the way I liked it. Very simple recipe. Enjoy. Have fun. Feed the whole family for $5. All right, guys. Bye-bye.